Hello, how you doing? I'm going to talk about the judge in the case. It is my opinion that the judge knew from the very beginning that it was rigged. It was a whole lie. He knew from the very beginning that it was a lie. He knew. See, Ryan Spetz wanted to win malicious prosecution. He wanted to win that. So he got the lawyer that I hired to lie in court, and then the judge lied in court. And see, the judge only gave me a few seconds to talk. He gave them like half an hour, almost 45 minutes to talk and lie throughout the whole court. See, I told this lawyer that I had, Kent Benninger, that that was a false witness. I told him that that was that woman's daughter. That was not the witness. That was not uh, the original plaintiff. That is not the plaintiff. And he didn't tell the judge that because he's a liar. Ryan Spetz is a liar. They're all liars. Now, you could see in the Bill of Particulars, which I have a copy of, excuse me, I have a copy of the Bill of Particulars. The lawyer that I hired, Kent Benninger, he's reading me the Bill of Particulars. And he knows that Ryan Spetz switched identities in the Bill of Particulars. You could see that the identities were switched in the Bill of Particulars. Okay. And the lawyer I hired went along with it. Now, look, I don't call him my lawyer. I just call him the lawyer who I hired, which was a mistake. I mean, I don't think he was worth 10% of what we paid him. I don't think he was worth 10%. $20 maybe, 10. Okay, he wasn't even worth 10% of what we paid him. He knew their identities were switched in the Bill of Particulars. And he's reading me these Bill of Particulars, blah, blah, blah. He's such a liar. And he's what, a Liberty University graduate. So what happened? Did Liberty University teach him how to lie? But let's get him back to the judge. He only gave me a few seconds to say something, and he gave them 45 minutes, 35 to 45 minutes. And he said, bam, just before the plaintiff. And he said, in 38 years of practicing law, I have never seen such horrible thing. How is it that in 38 years of practicing law, he can't even discern the truth? He don't even know how to get to the truth. So what did they teach him in law school? What did he learn in law school? I mean, where did he go to law school? University of Mickey Mouse? He don't even know how to get to the truth. He doesn't even know how to discern the truth. So in 38 years of practicing law, what did he learn? Nothing. I mean, I feel sorry they need to go review every criminal case that he participated in. They need to review every civil case that he participated in. Was I the first case that he lied about? No. They need to go review all of those and throw him out of court. Everything that he ever did for the last 38 years, they need to just throw out of court. Because he doesn't even know how to discern the truth. He didn't know how to get to the truth. He said that I called the police on a pregnant woman. Look, I don't care if the bat has 20 babies. I'm going to call the cotton picking police. I don't care if the bat has 40 children. I don't care if she's pregnant with 40 children. I won't call the police. I will call the police on anybody that I want to call the police on. Don't no judge tell me who to call the police on. Don't no second-rate lawyer tell me who to call the police on. Second-rate, two-bit lawyer tell me who to call the police. I will call the police on whoever I want to call the police on. I will call the police on anybody. I don't care if that bat has 20 babies in their belly. I'll call the cotton picker police. Because they don't know how to stay out of my yard. I had to call the police on them 4 times to keep them out of my yard. And I still got problems. So I had to call the Commonwealth attorney. I had to get the Commonwealth attorney to intervene, and I told the Commonwealth attorney the truth. And to this day, that judge has not even sent me a letter of dismissal. He has not sent me any dismissal at all. What a foolish judge. What a fool. So the lawyers, 2 lawyers were fools. Kent Benninger and Ryan Spetz were fools, and the judge is a fool. How did that happen? Look, how in the world anybody, he said he'd been practicing law for 38 years. How is it that anybody practicing law for 38 years don't even know how to get to the truth? Don't even know how to discern the truth because he's just as crooked as the lawyers. What did he go to law school for? Did he learn how to lie? Is that what Kent Benninger went to law school for? Did he learn how to lie? Is that what Ryan Spitz learned how to do in law school? Did he learn how to lie? Then he need to go back to selling furniture. If all you're going to learn in law school is how to lie, you're going to pay tens of thousands of dollars to learn how to lie. Then you don't need to go to law school. You need to do something else. But the judge is just as, in my opinion, just as crooked as the lawyers. Dishonest. He don't even know how to tell the truth, to get to the truth, or to discern the truth. You know, I can't stand liars. I really can't. I'm not good at lying. I'm just not good at it. Okay? I cannot stand liars. I really can't. And I'm sorry that, you know, people are evidently still hiring Spitz. They're still hiring Kent Benninger. Okay? Why people want to keep hiring liars, I don't know. I don't have an answer. But the judge had to have known that everything was a lie. But he went along with it. He knew it was a farce. He knew it all the time. And I hope you never are in a court case where he's the judge. And I feel sorry for you if you are. Bye. And like I said, I know Kent Benninger and Ryan Spitz are still being hired. I'm warning you, don't hire them. Bye.